Hey everyone, it's Saurabh from Nextwin.bet. Olympics going on in full fire. Novak Djokovic beat Carlos Alcaraz, which was a big upset for me. And I didn't expect it at all and ended up losing a lot of money on Carlos Alcaraz. But he's made me a lot, over the past few Grand Slams, over the French Open and Wimbledon, so it's really fine. Noah Lyles is the world champion. So congrats to him. It was a very narrow win, one of the closest 100-meter races in Olympics history. And I'm sure, the basketball fans are a bit upset, but you have to give props where it's due. So congrats to Noah Lyles on getting US its first men's 100 meters gold medal since 2004. Crazy stuff. Yeah, but now it's time, in my opinion, for the main event of the Olympics, which is the basketball. So the quarterfinals are today. There's four great games. So I'll be taking you through the pick. I'll be giving you my picks for each of the four games. The first quarterfinal is between the world champions Germany, led by Dennis Schroeder, Franz Wagner, Moritz Wagner, Daniel Theiss, against Greece. So the odds are 1.33 for Germany and 3.92 for Greece. Of course, this is the boosted odds on Dexwin for Dexwin Legends. So bet more to become a Dexwin legend to win more on any sporting events. So my picks are, I got Greece +8 as the handicap bet. So I'm pretty sure Giannis is not going to let Greece go down, especially the love he has for his country. It's going to be amazing to watch. Greece +8 is guaranteed win. So for the second semi-final, it's between Serbia and Australia. So the odds are really skewed here for the underdogs. Even for Greece, the odds are very high, which tempts me to put some money on them. But +8 is safe. And Australia also is the same. So Australia has odds of 3.52, which is way higher than any other book I've seen, and 1.39 for Serbia. So here also I'm going to be safe and go for Australia +7.5. Yeah. So I think it's going to be a close game. Australia is a strong team, but Serbia with Bogdanovic and Jokic should be able to pull it off. But it's definitely not, even placing on Australia directly is a good bet, but I'm staying away for today. The third semi-final, the third quarterfinal between France and Canada. So this is going to be a very close one. So given Wemby, Evan Fournier, if they can go off, but Canada has Jamal Murray, SGA, Dylan Brooks, RJ Barrett. So in my opinion, Canada is the second best basketball team in the world when they're on full form. So I got Canada winning this outright and also at odds of 1.31 and Canada -8 at odds of 1.96. So should be two great wins for those. And yes, the big team. So odds of 1.05 on Dexwin for Team USA against Brazil. Brazil has odds of 18.76. It's almost impossible for them to beat, the Avengers led by Captain America, Kevin Durant, Steph Curry, Jason Tatum, Anthony Edwards, you name it. Brazil is a strong team, but USA is just far superior. The handicap bets are a bit wide. So the handicap is 28 for US. So I don't think they're going to win by that much. So I'm staying away from the handicap bet. But definitely I'm placing the over bet today on over 185.5 points. I think it's going to be a high scoring game. So those are odds of 2.12. So these are my picks for the Olympics quarterfinals. So let's kill it together, make a lot of money together.